Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto. Okay, so looking at the price of Bitcoin versus USD here. So this is the 7 hour time frame actually. But yeah, just looking at the way the price has been going really, it's not really showing me very much just looking at it like that. So I'm going to go to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, and then I'm going to put on my moving averages, right? Now, by the way, these moving averages, if you want to find out how to set them up yourself, I've put the video about how to do it in a really handy place. So if you go over to my new website at savewith.crypto.org, okay, and then look down here, it says my favorite free trading view indicator, okay, and then this video here tells you how to set this up, okay. So savewithcrypto.org for that. As ever, what these are is a red 5 EMA, a cyan 9 EMA, a yellow 21 EMA, and a green 55 EMA. Now, this is the 4 hour time frame, so crosses on the green and yellow don't happen that often. We are just getting across now. So the last 4 hour candle closed about 28 minutes ago, and we've definitely got across there. Okay, and the price has actually come back a little bit once that crossed. Now, looking back in the past for a similar kind of structure like that, so you can see like a sort of W sort of shape there. So let's find one from the past. I suppose the sort of one there, it's not a very nice one, but you can see here that when they crossed bullish like that, the price went up from like 95.2k up to the all-time high. So that was a very good signal there. Let's find another one. This is a good one. So this was in the autumn of last year, around about October. In fact, this was the actual original Trump pump, wasn't it? So what we got here was a cross of these EMAs, the yellow and green one, in early October here, and the price went up loads. They didn't cross there, they got very, very close, right? And then they came back here just before the election, and that actually crossed bearish just for a week or two, and then they crossed bullish. So I suppose that's a good example. This is more like the double bottom though here, isn't it? And obviously from that we went from 69,000 up to well over 100k. So the fact that these have crossed bullish 28 minutes ago is quite exciting for me. Now the thing is, we've got all this stuff happening on Friday, this American crypto convention or whatever it is, and there's going to be a lot of stuff said. Is that going to pump the price, or is the price going to pump into that and then someone will say something stupid? Or it'll be a total anticlimax and they'll just talk about stable coins like they normally do, and then the price comes plummeting down. I think that's a fairly possible scenario. The only thing is, everyone's thinking that at the moment. Unlike, say, like the inauguration or the ETFs last year, when everyone was actually quite bullish and was pretty sure the price was going to go up, and it did the opposite initially. I'm actually wondering if people have got wise to that now, and it's going to be the opposite of the opposite, if you like. So the thing that seems obvious, and the price just goes up. Now that would fit in with these 4 hour EMAs, but these EMAs are based on past data, and they don't particularly predict the future. They give you a good idea, but they don't predict the future. Interesting, isn't it? As you know, another indicator I use is the Stonksy indicator, and on the 1 hour time frame, this is normally like very reliable. It's been weird because it's been red since yesterday, kind of from about 88.1k, and it's actually currently in a loss at 90.68. So does Stonksy know something that I don't? Is it expecting the price to actually come down before it goes up again? That's quite possible as well. I'm not confident about getting into a trade on Stonksy alone because my EMAs are not agreeing with that. And I'm not confident in going into a long with the EMAs because Stonksy's not agreeing with that. So at the moment, I am sitting on the fence. Anyway, just looking at things here. Yeah, so this is the 4 hour time frame again. I tell you what would be really bad, you know, is if this candle here, this is quite a big pullback we've had in the last sort of half an hour or so. That's like about, you know, over $500. So if that actually went bearish again, that would be pretty bad. And that would probably signify much more downwards motion, which then would fall in line with Stonksy. Yeah, interesting. I wouldn't trade at all at the moment. I would wait and see what happens and see if we get some kind of clear direction. I was playing with some Fibonacci's the other day, and what I also noticed is if you look at the real macro chart, so for example this on the daily time frame, and you take a Fibonacci from the winter of 2022 when we were down at 15 grand or whatever, and go up to that recent all-time high, then there are some interesting levels actually. And I am still interested in this level here at around about 73.5k. So I think over the next few weeks, I think we're going to definitely see some really volatile action. I think we'll probably see a new all-time high, but I think we'll see a new yearly low as well. So be ready for that. I'd love to know what you think. If you want to use an exchange to trade on, you can once again just go to savewith.crypto.org and have a look at the home page here, and there's a section here on exchanges, and these are the ones that I use daily. So I use ByBit, BitGet, Blofin and BitUnix. Okay, these are the ones I use occasionally: Phemex, Hotcoin, Weeks, and also the Swissborg and Crypto.com, but they're more like fiat on-off ramps, if you like. But with these, you get all like massive bonuses, like you get a $30,000 trading bonus with ByBit, depending on the deposit and your trading volume. Same kind of offer with BitGet, $30,000 there, although the BitGet one is slightly easier to achieve than the ByBit one. These are both KYC exchanges, so you need to see if that's available in your country. If you'd rather use an exchange where you do no KYC, you don't have to show them who you are, you can use Blofin in most countries, although some countries you do need a VPN. If you don't want to use a VPN, you use BitUnix. BitUnix you can use in any country in the world apart from China, North Korea or Iran. If you live in those countries, I haven't got anything to help you, I'm afraid, so good luck with that. If you're interested in the Stonksy indicator, using the code SWC10 will get you 10% off the annual plan if you use that link there. And as I mentioned before, my favourite TradingView indicator is 100% free, and here's a video about how to set it up. Okay, so it looks like the price is bouncing around a bit more. We're over 90k again. We were just under 90k. So I think it's going to be fun and games when the market opens in 1.5 hours. So let me know what you think. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I will get back to live streaming. I've just got a few hardware issues to try and sort out first. And once I've done that, I'll aim to do a live stream maybe once a day. I haven't totally decided on the time for it yet. Someone suggested 10 p.m. UTC. I think that's a bit late because by then I'm getting sleepy and not making much sense. So maybe something in the daytime might be better. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. While you're down there, please do like the video, make sure you're subscribed, and make sure you got the notifications set on all. And above all, tell your friends.
Save with Crypto has to be one of the best YouTube channels that the United States has ever seen. Kamala Harris is not a subscriber, but I am. I have notifications set to all as well. I'd strongly suggest you subscribe to Save with Crypto today. Above all, you should tell your friends.
Save with Crypto is not a financial advisor. He just makes ice cream on the internet. If you cannot find someone to do your own research, you must do it yourself, just like I did not.